Hi everybody, I will show you how to run the t-test for the pet sample. Let's say here we have the data for performance index for 13 employees, okay, starting from Ali until the last respondent David. We have two set of data. The first one is that here the performance index before they go for training, and then the performance index after they go for training. So this is basically, we call it pet sample because the measurement is basically repetitive from the same respondents. Okay, so now we go for spss analysis. Okay, so as usual we go to variable view first. We give the name, for example, performance index. Okay, before. Okay, so this is the numeric. So what we need, we have to label here, describe the label. Basically here that you can say performance index before training. Okay, and measure here we put scale because the numerical data. And then here performance index after. Okay, type is numerics. Then we label, we can describe performance index after. Okay, and then measure is basically scale. So this is how we define the variable, and then we go for next step, data view. So we have two columns here. So look at our example. Okay, for the before, this is the data here. You can, in fact, you can type or you can copy paste here. So this is the data for before, and then here's data for after. Okay, so I just want to make it faster. I just copy from that. Okay, you can also key in one by one. Okay, now we go here for analysis, analyze compared mean, pet sample. Okay, so these are the two variable. Okay, we just move to the right box, and then we click option here. Okay, so now confidence interval percentage correct 95% because SPSS by default they will put it 95%, or meaning that 95% confidence interval means alpha 0.05 or 5%. So remember our problem, we use the alpha 0.05, meaning that in other words, the confidence interval will be 95% or 0.95. Okay, let's say if in our example, let's say the alpha is 1% or 0.01, so it means that the confidence interval will be 99%. Okay, so hope you can clear on that, and then you just click continue and then okay. So this is the result. Okay, so we have two here, before training and after training, and 1330 meaning that the number of sample. Okay, we can read the mean value for before training 78, after training 88. Okay, now we look this one. Okay, pet sample test. Okay, if you want to see the significant, is there any significant differences before and after training in terms of the performance index? So straight away we can go to here. This is okay, the p-value here, to tell p-value. We see here the p-value is 0.001, which is less than the alpha. In our example, alpha is 0.05. So since the p-value is less than alpha 0.05, our conclusion is that there is differences in terms of performance index before and after. Okay, there is a differences. So in other words, we reject the null hypothesis. Okay.